Hello. Welcome on back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well. Today's tutorial is going to be real short and sweet. I'm going to show you how I created this smoky eye that you see happening here. I love this for a few reasons. One being that you don't need a lot of time to create this. This only took me maybe a minute or two to do. Two, you also don't need to go out and buy a whole bunch of stuff to create this. I only used 2 products for this. And that brings me to my third point is this is foolproof. Literally, even if you don't know what you're doing when it comes to makeup, it's okay. It's really hard to mess this up. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started. So the first product I'm using here, which is the most important product in this tutorial, is a cream eyeshadow. That's what's going to make this look so easy to achieve. The one I'm using is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. If you already have a cream eyeshadow at home, just go along with that. Otherwise, you could use lipstick, you can use lip liner, you can use an eyeliner pencil. You know, get creative, have fun with it. And if you don't have anything like that that you want to use on your eyes, then you can head out and get this one. It's cheap and cheerful. You can pick it up at a drugstore. It's accessible, so on and so forth. But anyways, I'm going to apply this on my complete upper lid and throughout the lower lash line, and then I'll be right back. All right, so now that we have this applied, I look absolutely crazy, right? But trust me, it'll work out. I applied it everywhere. I wasn't too careful at all. I just applied it basically up to the area that I want to begin blending this out. If you don't want it too dramatic, don't bring it up so high or low. And then if you want it more dramatic, then of course you'd bring it up higher and lower. But you kind of just play around with it and just see what works for you. So now that we have this applied, we're gonna go straight in with a blending brush and just start diffusing out the edges. You see how easy this is? This is why I was saying this is practically foolproof. You guys saw a second ago how crazy it looked. And now with just a little bit of blending and patience, it kind of comes together. What's nice about a smoky eye is that it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it's the imperfection in it that kind of makes it, you know, like sexy and sultry and effortless, which is what I look for in a smoky eye. So now that we have this blended, this is what it should start looking like. Now, if you're happy with how this looks as is, you can pop on some mascara or a little bit of eyeliner in the waterline, and bada bing, bada boom, there you have it. What I like to do on myself is I like to incorporate some black eyeshadow to give it some dimension. So let me show you. I'm dipping into a black eyeshadow with this eyeliner brush, as you see here. And now I'm gonna run it through my lower lash line as well as through the upper. And this is just gonna add some contrast and some smokiness and some drama. Once I'm done applying that black eyeshadow, I'm just heading back to that first brush we used and buffing out those edges to make it a little softer. But you see what I did there with that black eyeshadow and that liner brush is I brought in that inner corner of the eye just to elongate it and give it that more feline effect. And then I brought it up slightly to here, and it really just put that finishing touch on the complete look, don't you think? And then again, with this, you don't have to use a lot of brushes. Just head back to the first one you used, and that's all it takes. Now I'm gonna pop on some mascara, curl my lashes, and I'll show you the final results. And there we have it. Super easy, right? And you can make this more dramatic and play it up if you want to add some false eyelashes or pop on a little glitter to the lid, or even, you know, run some black eyeliner through the waterline. You know, make it your own, have fun with it. Don't take it too serious. It's just makeup. But what to take away from this that I find to be the most important is using a cream eyeshadow. And one, because you saw how easy that was, but two, you also don't have to worry about fallout like you would have to with a powder eyeshadow. Plus, powder eyeshadows really take quite a bit of time and detail and expertise with the blending and all. cream shadows is the way to go, especially if you're a beginner in makeup. So anyways, I wish I would have spent more time with y'all this week. To be honest, I wasn't intending on uploading a video just because I didn't get around to filming one with a model. This week has been absolutely crazy, but I didn't want to go 2 weeks without y'all, so I thought I'd throw something together, and something's better than nothing. So anyways, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out more of my work on my Instagram at Painted by Spencer. And until next time, I'll see you soon.